Just a quick red potato soup and some cabbage, red cabbage, purple cabbage, and some jackfruit. The cabbage was done in here with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and that was it. And then thrown in the bowl with the hot soup. This is young jackfruit with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and fresh garden-grown rosemary, and it makes it taste like chicken. So it's like a potato, chicken, and cabbage soup. Never did it before with cabbage, or chicken, you know. So I did them separate, like a cabbage soup, a potato soup, and a chicken soup with broth with this jackfruit. But now I'm doing it combo. Simple and easy. It's good. It's really hot. I tasted it before. And yeah, that's it. It's that easy. Just make sure you get young jackfruit, and you can either make it moist or you can make it like a little bit on the crispy side like I did. Whatever you want. But young means that it's not mature. Alright? So a quick easy thing there. Yeah, just do the potatoes. What I do is I boil the heck out of them. I don't scrub them or anything. I boil the heck out of them. And then I dump the water and then I throw them in a processor. Put them in the pot right here. Just got a little bit of salt and pepper in it. I leave this plain for each meal. So I might do one with some oregano in it. I might do one probably with some sage in it. So that's why I leave this as a base. All right, it's that simple and easy. And yeah, different variety of cabbage soups. I can't remember how my mom made it years ago. I think it was something like this. And I was gonna make it brothy, but I wanted to do it more like this, so I made it a creamy one. All right, simple, easy, awesome. Love yous. Bye.